Hello and welcome to our very first double Sunday services, and we'd love you to stick around and enjoy some refreshments with us. Now they're served before our first service and after the second service, so if you've missed out today, then make sure you get here in plenty of time next week to join us for refreshments.
You're in the promise, and on the days of furnace finds my faith. You're the fourth with
Sunday the 30th of June is a date for your diary, and it's the day we're going to have Hope in the Park. It's always a really good laugh and it's great fun, and we invite you to come and join us at 12 noon here at Hickman Park, where we're going to have a picnic together. We're going to be meeting with other churches in Bilston and Brady and sharing the word of God with the town of Bilston. So we hope you can join us Sunday the 30th of June at 12 noon.
God, I know He's known for faithfulness.
This month, Mike is doing a two-part Bible study called When God Speaks from the Bank, looking at the life of Moses and trying to teach us about things we can learn when we're looking at facing the impossible and when we look back in victory. So we hope you can join us the second and the fourth Wednesday in June for those Bible studies from Mike.
Know what's behind me, 'cause through the highs and lows and in between, God, you go ahead of me. And when you call me, I will.
Announcing this year's Summer Kids Holiday Club. It is Camelot, and we're going to be taking on a medieval theme for this year's club, which is going to be running from the 27th to the 31st of August. So get those dates in your diary and make sure you book your kids in as soon as the bookings open. And of course, we're looking for some volunteers. So if you might be interested in helping out either in the run up to the club or the week itself, then please speak to Dan for more information.
For the God I know He's known for faithfulness.
We'd love to invite you to our mental health awareness event, which is happening on Saturday the 15th of June at 5 p.m. We've got a guest speaker, Pastor Julie Keir from Audacious Church in Manchester. She is a psychotherapist, and she's going to be bringing some teaching, some really good quality teaching on mental health and how you can have good mental health, and bringing it from a Christian perspective. So we'd love you to join us for that. It's open to everyone, so please come along 15th of June at 5 p.m.
To know what the future says, 'cause if the past could talk, it would tell me this.
Now that we've gone to double services, we are planning to have some united services a couple of times throughout the year. And the first one of those is going to be on Sunday, the 22nd of September at 11 a.m. So get that date and time in your diary. And we're going to be meeting at the Imperial Banqueting Suite in Bilston. So get the date in your diary, 22nd of September, for our Excel Unite.
Isn't finished yet. If he did it before, he can do it again. So I'll trust him with.
Just before we go, remember that next Sunday is Father's Day, and we'd love you to come and join us for our service next week, where we're going to have a special gift for all of the fathers. So why not bring your dad along if you can? That's everything for XL News, but remember the website is there, and you can speak to our welcome team if you want more details about anything that is going on here as well. Have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more XL News.